Okay, Madison. What are you doing?
Okay.
Do you want to go look for some more Easter eggs? Okay, here's your pail. We're going to go out the front this time. Front yard.
Yeah.
Let's go look at the front yard. Come on. Eggs, eggs, eggs.
Oh, look.
Okay, now lock the door. Okay, find your eggs. Rox, you want to go outside? I don't know. You're just going to have to look around. Look all over the ground. Look behind you.
Look behind me. Oh. Behind me? Okay, I'm over here.
No, there's none over there. They're all over here.
Over here. No, it's found. Here it is.
Frog jump on my toe.
No?
Yeah, there's a frog right there.
Oh.
Let's see if we can find the frog. I don't know where he went.
Here you go.
I don't know. Okay, don't worry about him. Oh, here he is. Here he is.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Buck. Ah!
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Just let him jump.
What's up?
Yeah, look.
Hi, Buck.
What sound does a frog make?
Oh, no.
Ribbit. Ribbit. Okay, let's go back to finding more eggs. Do you see any eggs by the tree?
Yeah.
Look on the ground by the tree.
Oh.
Okay. You're showing the frog the egg. Okay.
No.
All right, come on. Let's go look for more. Put them in your pail. Did you find more? Let's go look over this way.
This way.
Oh, okay. We'll go find them if you see them. Oh, let's go look this way.
Yeah. Hey.
I don't think there's one more on this side over here. Let's go walk this way and see if we can find it. Okay, let's look over here. You see anything? Yeah, I know. Moles. Look, yeah, that has been busy. Look.
Oh.
Oh. Yes. What about by the mailbox?
Mailbox? Hang on.
Okay, you got all of them on that side. Let's come over this way.
way. There's only one. Ah, there it is.
There is. Careful.
There it is. Ah! There it is.
Hold on, stay over here.
Ah, there it is. There it is.
Look over here.
Right here? No, only here, Daddy.
Okay.
Look at Iris. There it is, Daddy. Ah! Oh, 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 oh.
No, you got it. Look this way.
Right here. Whoa.
Do me a favor. Walk up next to the tree again. Over here. Look. Walk up next to the tree. Go ahead. Go walk over there. Go look on the other side of the tree. Go around.
Go around?
Yeah, let's go look. This is the last egg, I think.
I know. That's your thing.
Where?
That's yours.
Look, wait.
Yeah. Yeah, that's me.
Look over by the tree. On the ground. By the tree.
By the tree? Hey, come
Yay! I think you got all of them. Good job. That's all of them. Uh-oh. I got it. Okay. Come here. Look at me.
Yeah.
Happy Easter. Can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Here, look up here and say it. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
I love you. Okay. You ready to go inside?
No.
No. Well, I don't think we have any more eggs to look for.